Let's make the Holiday Kraken from Kraken Rum. To make this drink, we are going to start with the rum. I'm going to do 1 part Kraken Black Spiced Rum, which to me is going to be 3 ounces. 3 ounces is 120 milliliters. One-quarter part of cinnamon syrup, and I do make my own cinnamon syrup. Recipe is here on the channel, link will be down below. Yeah, so 1/4 part, which is going to times 3, is 3/4 of an ounce, which is 22.5 milliliters. And then lemon juice, 3/4 ounce of lemon juice, which is 3 parts, because it's 1/4 part for the recipe, which is 22.5 milliliters. Fill my glass with ice. I hope I got enough ice. That's not enough ice. I'll be right back. More ice gotten. And that'll do. Now I got too much ice. Oops. Now I'm going to top it with a hard apple cider. Yeah? A hard dry cider. That kind of worked out. Not a lot of cider, but who wants a lot of cider? Garnish. Garnish is a lemon wheel with cloves. And I did this off camera because it was a pain in the patootie. If you want to go through this, feel free to go through it. I don't know why you would. And a straw. And there you have it. The Holiday Kraken, not in a Nick and Nora. Drink with good spirits.